It's a beautifully sunny day. It's Sunday, and I've got a handful of friends coming over for just a catch up. So I am not cooking a whole meal for them, but I really want to make a show stopping cake. And I thought I will share the recipe with you. So let's get baking. It's in the background, that's why. To start, I have got here 300 grams of golden caster sugar. To this, I'm going to add 300 grams of, can you see how soft that butter is? 300 grams of unsalted softened butter. I usually leave it outside overnight, though it's really warm in the kitchen these days, so a couple of hours outside the fridge also works. I'm going to beat this for a minute or so, just so it's really nice and creamy. And while that is whisking, I am going to grease and line 4 8-round cake tins. That is nice and creamy. I'm going to add some more stuff in. Sometimes for the ease of this, I just spray it with some non-stick spray and cut these out, place them in. Done. So to this mixture, I'm going to add 6 large eggs and then whisk it for a few seconds before I add the flour. The last few things to go in are 300 grams of self-raising flour. And I'm using a really good quality vanilla extract, so a teaspoon of that. A teaspoon of baking powder. And just because I am making like a summery cake, I'm going to add just a dash of rose water. And now I mix this for a minute or so until smooth and creamy. Now look at that cake mix. Smooth, pale, beautiful. So now all I have to do is try and divide it as equally as possible in these 4 tins. The oven is nice and hot at 180C or 160 fan, and I'm gonna actually check them in 20 minutes because I don't want to dry them out. So if they're done, they're gonna come out in 20, otherwise as long as it takes. And there they are, as equal as I could, going in to the oven. Okay, so the timer has gone off, and I will tell you how I check. So one of the first things to see if the cake is done is that it leaves the sides of the cake tin. And then the second is, of course, checking with a skewer, which is completely clean. So it's 20 minutes exactly and the cakes are done. I'm going to let these sit because they're piping hot in the cake tin for 10 minutes, then take them out and let them cool on the cooling rack. So that's 600 grams of double cream. Then just 4 tablespoons of sugar, and then I'm going to whisk it until soft peaks. So on goes first layer. I'm going to use a really lovely jam, just thin spread because we've got 3 layers of this. You don't want to add too much, just a thin spread, then a little bit of cream spread. This is going to be so amazingly refreshing, and I'm just going to put very few like strawberries, and just going to throw in a couple of raspberries in the middle. Press it in, quite important, and then next layer of cake on, and just press it in, press it in. More jam. So the cake was made this morning, cooled down for a couple of hours, finished the icing. It was served at around 5 p.m. Got demolished. This is all that's left. And I didn't make a video of tasting earlier on because I was just busy yapping with my friends. So I've kept a slice. The tower has fallen to taste with you guys. And I have to say it's one of the lightest, spongiest sponges I've made in some time. In this 30-degree heat, which is very, unusual in UK, this is so cooling and refreshing. It's the sharpness of strawberries and raspberries balances the sweetness, and that touch of rose is like magic. It just lifts everything up. So I really hope you're gonna try this before strawberries and raspberries go out of season and enjoy it with your family and friends. Yeah, absolutely stunning. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you very soon with another new recipe. Bye for now.